Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to install Joomla 3.X on localhost. Step 1. Download Joomla 3.X. Open your favorite browser. Go to joomla.org. Click on the download button. Now click on the Download Joomla 3.X button. Click on Save. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to the downloaded location and extract the zip file. This is how you can download Joomla 3.x. Step 2. Installing Joomla 3.x. Now rename the folder with some name, say your project name. Copy the extracted folder and navigate to the following path on your computer. Paste it here. Start Wamp on your PC. Open your favorite browser and type http://localhost. You can access Joomla installer by typing your project name next to localhost with a /. Joomla installation page will open. Here, you need to add the necessary information about your site. At first, select your preferred language. Now enter your site name in this field. Enter a small description about your website. Enter the admin email address. Choose a username for the admin login. Enter the password for the admin login. Re-enter the password again to confirm. Once you fill in all the required fields, press the next button to proceed with the installation. On this page, you will have to enter the necessary information for your MySQL database. Choose the database type. Usually this will be MySQLi. Type localhost in the hostname field. Type root in the username field. Leave the password field blank. Give a name for your database, say your project name. Leave the table prefix as it is, or you may change it to something else. You may back up the old database or remove it. Press the next button to proceed. You will be forwarded to the last page of the installation process. On this page, you can specify if you want any sample data to be installed on your server. For beginners, we recommend you to choose the default sample data option since it will serve as an example. The second part of the page will show you all pre-installation checks. Hit the install button to start the actual Joomla installation. On the last screen of the installation process, you need to press the Remove Installation Folder button. That's it, you have successfully installed Joomla on localhost. Thank you for watching.